We have a lot of fires all over the state of California.
It seems like it's the never-ending fire. You know, it's been a yo-yo ride all week. I mean, it's just ups and downs and crazy.
Now we got the downdraft. So now it's blowing right into us.
Many of these firefighters have been on the lines for 7 straight days.
This accident is tragic. This is a very difficult time for Los Angeles County Fire Department.
It's been really touch and go, because it came up 2 sides of our hill.
This is a long haul fight